something that's good for me.
Alright guys, this is Roland Blase, KompaKeyboardSchool.com. We're gonna learn rolls, guys. I call it rolls. So we're gonna do stuff like that. So let's say you're in the middle of a solo. Let's go. So rolls, you can use it in a solo and you can use it as a finisher. So watch what I do, guys. So as long as you're playing on the right scale, guys, what am I thinking of? I'm thinking of blues notes. I'm thinking of blues notes. And the main thing I'm thinking about is using the seconds. Let's use this sound right real quick here. So we're in the key of G flat. So what am I doing here? I have a nice solo sound here. So I can use a combination of anything, just as long as I'm using like the suspended second, I can roll nicely with it. So let's say you're doing a solo like. So guys, you can add rolls into the middle of your solos. There's a solo I did a few days ago. Especially in the end day, it sounds good. Where it goes like this. But what I did was, I did this. I turned it into this. I turned it into a roll. So you can do this. And then there's a part that goes. So you can kind of substitute any part of your solo for rolls. So guys, I want you guys to really start implementing rolls into your kompa playing. If you have a nice solo, I'm gonna put an end day beat on so you guys can see how to implement the rolls and everything. Let me show you guys real quick. So I'm gonna do it in slow motion for you guys. So what are these rolls I'm talking about? It's just moving fast. I like to use these three fingers. I like to use not the thumb or the pinky. I avoid using that. So I go. However you want to position your fingers is the key. So I do this. 1 to the 3, 3 to the 1. I do a 4, 5, 1. Or I do this is the main one I usually do. 5, 6, 1. So rolls will make your piano playing really good. So I'm gonna do it in slow motion. And watch this. So that'll change your whole piano playing, guys. So guys, start using rolls. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.